Good morning, ninth class children. Ninth class children, open your notes, textbook, and get ready for class. We did yesterday in previous class, not yesterday. We are doing factorization. Algebra belongs to algebra. Factorization. 4A we completed. Today I want to finish this 4B. Let us do all easy, taking common factors and GCD or HCF. Take common. So there are 12 problems. So let us do these problems. See first one, bx plus 2b plus cx plus 2c given. First problem. And second problem, y cube plus 2y cube plus 3y plus 6. Okay. Third problem. XA plus 3b plus XB plus 3a. Oh, fourth. Fourth, 8xy plus 5zy minus 8xt minus 5zt. Okay. And the next I will take this much. Fifth problem. Here fifth. 8kl plus 12 ml plus minus 12 ml minus 8 km. This is 9. Sixth after 5, 56. 32x plus y whole square minus 2x minus 2y. 7. X cube minus x squared plus ax plus x minus a minus 1. 8 1. AB of c squared plus 1 plus c of a squared plus b squared. All different. Let us see. Now these problems are given. Let us do one by one. See here B common, here B common, here C common. So taking B common, we get here x plus 2. That's all. here x remains, here 2 remains. Plus, say taking c common, x plus 2. Again these two are common. Now this is x plus 2 of, here what is remaining, b plus c. Here b is left in the first bracket, b is there, in the second bracket c is there. So you write b plus c. These are the factors of given expression, given algebraic expression like this. Second question. Take here y cube common. Both are y cube. Two y squared given here. I have written wrongly. 2y squared. Okay. Take here y squared common. Y remains plus 2 remains. In this 3 taking common, y plus 2. We get the same terms. Again take y plus 2 common. Y plus 2 taking common. Here remains y squared. The second bracket remains 3 like this. These are the factors. Third question. Here xa 3b, no common. Here xb is there. So you let us arrange. You write what we can write, xa plus xb plus 3b plus 3a. Like this. Let us arrange like this. We can arrange to get the common. Take x common, we get here a plus b. Take 3 common, we get here a plus b. A plus b or b plus a both are same. Now a plus b is again common. Here remains in the first bracket x, in the second bracket 3. So a plus b into x plus 3 are the factors. Now here, see, these are right terms. We can write. We can take 8xy. We can arrange like that. Sometimes we can arrange 8xy minus 8xt plus 5zy minus 5zt. Here 8x taking common, y minus t, here plus 5z taking common, y minus t. Y minus t common. So here taking y minus t common, here remains 8x plus 5z. Are the factors. That is fourth problem. Fifth problem also we have to arrange like order, like terms 8, 8, 12, 12. So we can rewrite. We can write this as 8kl minus 8kl plus 12ml minus 12ml like this. We can arrange by seeing the terms. We can arrange into like terms. We can take 8k common, 8k common, L minus n. Here 12m taking common, L minus n. And again these two are same. So L minus n into 8k plus 12m. In this also we can take 4 common. 4 2s are, 4 3s are. We can write this as, still we can take 4 common in this. We can take 4 common out. L minus n of, taking 4 common, 2k plus 3m, 3m close. So these are the factors. Sixth fact, sixth problem, 32x plus y whole square minus 2 taking common, we get here x plus y whole square. X plus y. X plus y is equal terms. So taking x plus y common, and what we get, you know, here 32 and 2 also we can take common. 2. Here 16. 16 remains here. 1 x plus y who remains. Because this is x plus y whole square. So there are two terms. We have taken one term outside, one side remains, one term remains. Totally we get it. So here remains 1. When we take a total term, there remains 1, not 0. So these are the factors. Seventh one also. Seventh one, 6 terms are given. So take these two, take these two, take these two. Taking x squared common, here x remains minus 1. Taking common, here seventh question. X cube minus x squared plus ax plus x minus a minus 1. This should be 7 x minus 1. Take here x squared common. X squared common, here x remains minus 1 plus a. Okay. Here plus 1 taking common, x minus a minus 1. We have to arrange x minus 1. If we write as minus 1, we can write this as a, these three terms. 1 taking common plus a plus x. Different terms we have. So x squared plus a. Let us arrange this. X cube plus ax plus x. This term we have taken ax, we have taken x, we have taken 3, and remaining terms minus x squared minus a minus 1 left. Now take here x common, x squared plus a plus 1. Okay. Here minus 1 taking common, x squared plus a plus 1. We have taken minus outside, all terms becomes plus. So this is terms are equal, x squared plus a plus 1 of, here remains x minus 1. Oh, these are the factors. Or we can rewrite as x minus 1, x squared plus a plus 1 like this. First these are not common. So you multiply ABC squared plus AB, CA squared plus B squared C. Now taking B squared C common from first and second, C squared plus B squared C plus AB plus CA squared. Right here R. We are rearranging. Right. Take here BC common. Taking BC common, here AC remains. Here taking A common, what remains here? BC remains, here C remains. B squared to B remains. Plus here A taking common, B plus AC remains. AC plus B. Oh, both are same. Now AC plus B into A plus BC. We can write. So these are the factors. 8. Yes. Now, 9 A minus A cube minus A squared plus XA minus X minus 1. 10th 6A cube B plus 3A squared B squared minus 2A squared B minus AB squared. 11th A cube plus AB of 1 minus 2A minus 2B squared. 12th last problem, P squared 1 into Q minus P squared minus Q squared. Oh. Let us do these problems. Now see, 9th, there are 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. So we can 9th question. 6 terms. A cube minus A squared plus XA plus A also there. Plus A here. Okay. Now here we can take A common first. A taking common A squared minus A minus A plus X. Here plus 1 taking common plus A taking common 1. Here up to 3 terms we take. And here what is there? A 1, here a minus x, and where is a squared? Now see ninth a minus 1. If we take here minus, if we take this plus a here, minus a squared means we are taking minus here. This remains minus a squared plus x plus 1. 1 also there, but we have taken here a here, then 1. Here also remains 1. Yes, minus is outside. Now, no x here. X squared plus a in the first term we have taken a squared or a cube plus a squared is this one and this one, and this is once again I write this. A cube plus ax this one, and plus a, I am taking this plus a. Okay. Minus a squared second, and minus x minus 1, this 3. Just I have written. We are taking a common. Now a squared plus x plus 1. Here minus 1 taking common. A squared plus x plus 1. Again these two are equal. Now right here a left, here minus 1 left. So a minus 1 into a squared plus x plus 1 are the factors. Now okay, let us take these two ones. 6ab, 3ab common. In this 3ab, here ab common. AB taking common, here remains 2a, and here remains plus AB, and the next here 2ab common, 2ab only AB common, here remains a, 2a, minus taken common, here remains b. AB no, b remains. Here I put that one. 6a cube b plus 3a squared b squared minus 2a squared b minus a b squared. 10th 3a taken common, y 3a, ab also there. In in every terms, first of all we have to write, we can take AB common first of all. First of all we can take AB common. Here remains 6a squared, 6a squared plus 3ab minus 2a minus b. Oh. In this we can take AB of here 3a taking common. Here remains 2a plus b minus 1 taking common, 2a plus b. Yes, these are same terms. So AB of 3a 3a here 1 minus 1 here into 2a plus b. Oh, these are the factors. Now level. First of all, you divide you multiply this. Simplify. Multiply AB into 1. AB minus 2a squared b minus 2b squared. Now take here a squared a common, a squared plus b remains. In this minus 2b taking common, here remains a squared, here remains minus b. Minus outside is inside plus. Again these two are equal. So a squared b into a minus 2b are the factors. Here multiply first. P squared q plus q minus p squared minus q squared. All p squared terms one we can rearrange. P squared q minus p squared plus q minus q squared. Now here p squared taking common, we get here q minus 1. Here we take q common, 1 minus q. But these are here q minus 1, here 1 minus 2. Making minus here, p squared of q minus 1 of minus q and q minus 1. We can change it by changing the sign. We can write down these two are same. So q minus 1 into p squared minus q are the factors. Like this. So we completed this exercise. Once again you do, and you also practice example problems. Thank you.